Welcome to Upgrade. Let's take a look at some of the products of CES 2025.
This year at CES 2025, a lot of robots, pretty much robots for everything, for cooking, to talking, to helping, so forth. Now, this robot was, something unique because it was on sale too. It's available now. Now, this is a competitor to the Tesla model that's going to be out too also soon. A lot of competition that's going to grow out of this for helpful robotics. And not only that, I saw a lot of robots that were making coffee, cooking, cleaning, picking up socks. And this is a very unique robot that works with AI intelligence, also training. Didn't see a remote with it. A lot of people are using commands and gestures. After CES, they went back and they actually did a great firmware on it because it was very unstable and wobbly. And after the actual show, they demo a whole different features that they added to the firmware: the walking mode, the talking, the backwards, the dropping, and so forth. The gestures. A lot of new features were added to the system, and I can't wait to get to see competition. The more competition you get, the cheaper it's going to get. So some of the robots that were out demonstrating in the CS were as cheap as 16,000 to all the way to 100 to 200,000. Of course, they could go even higher than that, but I was mostly concentrating on small, easy to take with you, because these guys transform into a little small box that you can move them anywhere. If you're going to travel, you need some extra help or some hands, or you're elderly or you want to carry some groceries, this might be a good solution for the future. So can't wait to see the competition and maybe get your hands on one of them in the future. I hope you guys enjoy the video.